In this question, you have to point out the option which is not included under ex situ conservation. Now, ex situ conservation involves the conservation of species outside their natural habitats, where organisms are maintained and bred in controlled environments. And this approach is used to protect endangered species, the conserve genetic material, and support the survival of species away from their original location. Now, coming to the option A, wildlife safari parks. Now, this is included in ex situ conservation because wildlife safari parks are controlled environments where animals are kept outside their natural habitats for conservation or education or even for tourism. So, this is incorrect option. Option B, sacred groves. Now, sacred groves are protected natural areas found within their original habitats, and these groups are conserved in their natural environment due to religious or cultural significance, thus making it an in situ conservation method. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C, seed banks. This is also included under ex situ conservation because seed banks store seed under controlled condition to preserve the genetic material of plants outside their natural habitat. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, botanical gardens. It is also included under ex situ conservation because botanical gardens cultivate and preserve plant species outside their natural habitat. Hence, this is incorrect option.